Stir it nicely, Maddie.
Can I just put the butter inside there?
Yeah, just hold on. You doing it, Maddie?
Yeah, I'm doing it patiently.
Patiently.
Me, that's it. Look. I'm gonna do it. Done. Handy. God.
Okay, hold on.
Nice.
I'll go. Go ahead, Matt Mackenzie.
Hello.
Add the butter. Go ahead, Kuya. Careful. Go ahead and add the brown sugar. Be careful, Gavin. And then white sugar. Be careful, Gavin. Don't
Me first.
mix it up.
Yeah.
And let's go ahead and someone's crying. Don't touch. Please don't put your finger in there. Go take a look. Stand up.
Is it fun, Kinsey? Yeah.
Gavin's gonna add the bananas.
I got the milk.
Not yet, boy.
I want the teddy spoon.
So you want me to do this?
No, I want to do it.
Okay. Be careful, Gavin.
You know what? I want to put everything.
It's Kuya's turn today, Madison. Please.
Me.
Be careful, Gavin.
No.
Oh my goodness, Madison.
Okay, go in.
There's the banana.
Woo! It's like yucky and slimy.
Don't touch it, okay?
Hey, Kenzie, it's yucky and slimy, isn't it? What?
And then
Kenzie?
the eggs.
I said yeah. Can I get the eggs?
Okay.
What about me?
Yes, please. Oh, wait. Was it? You put the milk later, ate. It's Kuya's turn. Come on, Kuya. Be careful. Careful. Good job. Okay.
I want to do the milk. Not yet.
It's your turn. Careful, girl. Good job.
No.
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
And then vanilla.
Mama, can I turn it on? One.
Just in the middle.
Right here?
Very good. Good job, Kuya.
I did it. Mama, it smells like something. Banana bread.
Banana bread.
Yeah.
Smells vanilla.
Bad. Come on, Pa. You always make my whole hand go in there. Sorry.
Mix it.
Me?
Mix it, please.
How about me? You can mix it with me on this. I like it in the picture. Banana sugar. It's banana sugar. Banana sugar. Yeah.
We have a small pan.
It
I hope it
looks
fits.
kind of yucky when it's not baked yet.
Kanayaki. Yeah, it does look kanayaki.
Slime coming out like Play-Doh. Ew. It's like
It's a butter.
Will be. Will be.
Okay. In the oven now, okay?
Guys,
Like a
disgusting, isn't it?
you have it. Looks so perfect. See that? Oh, here's Kenzie and Gavin trying the banana bread. Thanks for helping Gavin for making the banana bread.
Welcome.
And Kenzie too.
Mine too.
Mm-hmm. Maddie's crying. She just woke up.
You need to go.
Yummy? Here's Maddie eating banana bread. She just woke up from a nap, so na-late siya ng pagkain. Yung dalawa, si Gavin and Kenzie, tapos na sila sa banana bread. And now it's Maddie's turn. How does it taste, Maddie?
It's blueberries.
Blueberries.
Yeah.
Look at that shark.
Walking shark.
Walking shark.
Ow.
What's Kenzie? Is she a mermaid?
Not yet.
Not yet.
She's naked without her skin.
Maddie is having
That is without her mermaid skin.
snack.
Hey, Maddie.
That's her merienda.
I have my skin on. Hello. You're naked.
Where's Kenzie, guys? There you go.
Where's your other bone?
Baby, just play. Tomorrow you have school. Just enjoy playing with your sisters, okay?